Play around if you want to. I was birthed in the gutter. It's no surprise at all I succeed. I evolved from my traumas. If only you walked a millions of miles inside of my shoes, then you would've seen what I seen, and then you really know what I really wanna do. Even death couldn't contest what the divine is really about to do. Hold on tight and maintain and do what I'm supposed to do, for I know that I'm the remedy. Even on a bad day, evil can't contest with me, cause I hold all control. So move out of my way. Sit every waking breath, I'm blessed. No tombstone will ever hold my name, cause I graduated to profession. No more dips, no more cracks. Open all chakras, I'm on top of my ascension. Fully blessed as I ascend now, yes.
My light shines bright when my energy
got me feeling like a ball of energy. Here spinning up like an Einstein remedy. Famous like a Kennedy, but I won't go out like that. Oh no, the force is in me. That's why they envy. You too finicky to fuck with me. I'm the remedy like a love potion. What you smoke, yeah? Thinking we on the same level. I'm a higher being, super saiyan. What you saying? I'm slaying anything in my path for the raptor. After now that you laying in your own bloodbath. Somebody call a staff, come pick him up. My light shine bright cause my energy is right. Game tight like the playoffs. Work hard so no layoffs. Better company so the